but he puts good tape on them. I mean glue. He put glue on these presents?
I don't think so.
Well, I'm going to keep the bows.
That's a good idea.
I'm going to keep the bows.
Why don't you put them right under the table there?
Why?
Then they'll be out of the way. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a cool one.
Why don't you put it on your head?
Why?
Because you're a birthday or a Christmas present.
No, I'm not.
Well, you're a Christmas present to Grandpa and Mima
And Mom.
and Mommy and
And
Adam.
Mommy and Adam were a Christmas present to us.
Right.
Yep.
I'm taping, so I got it. So you can just continue.
Go ahead, open it up.
I'm recording it.
Making a video.
I'm going to keep all the bows.
Okay.
All the bows inside every present.
That's going to be a lot of bows.
Yeah. I'm going to bring them all home.
There we go.
That's the box.
Look at the size of that.
Wow, that's a big thing. Right? How much? There's a lot of pieces of paper on here, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh.
It can stand up.
Wow.
It's standing up. I didn't know that. Let's see. Oh,
So you can make a dinosaur?
yeah.
Wow.
Standing up.
Oh. Is it three-dimensional?
Huh?
Wow.
That's cool.
It can stand up, right?
Yeah.
And it shows the same thing on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh. I'm making it come down, guys.
You sure are, buddy.
Not again. Excuse me. Lex, it's gonna go down here.
I was like, no.
Oh no! There's a short coming down.
Better get them up.
Huh?
You gonna make them go up now?
Oh, it makes it go down.
Huh?
The other end of the button. Can't make them swim.
Let's make it explode.
This is messed up.
Oh. Uh-oh, he better go off. Go.
Don't get it too close to the dogs. Grab that and pop it.
Careful. Don't hop on here.